Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time.
Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So before we get into today's vlog, I would like to give a special shout out to V Show Hair for sponsoring this portion of today's video. So I did install this unit on last night. This is their 13x4 lace frontal wig. It is 26 inches and it's so bomb, y'all. I work with them all the time. I have curly units from them, straight units from them. I love the straight unit. Y'all know that is my favorite. So I will have all the details to this hair in the description box along with the discount code so you guys can save yourself $10. So don't forget to check the description box below. So I'm in my bathroom now. So my hair is so cute. I was thinking about putting some curls in it, but so cute. Look at this. I love it. So I have a few errands I need to run today. I need to do a mukbang. So I'm gonna run to Costco and then I want to go to Target because I want to check out the new collection that Brittany talked about on her video, on her YouTube video on yesterday. I'm sure y'all know Brittany, but Brittany from Pocket and Bows. So I'm gonna go up there, see what I can find. Hopefully they have my size because I did like a lot of those pieces that she showed. So I'm gonna check them out, and then what else do I need to do? Oh, and then I want to go to look for those glasses. Y'all remember when I was in Miami, they had those really cute glasses. I want to try to see if I can find some. So I'm gonna go to probably World Market and see if they have some. If not, then I'll probably just go on Crate and Barrel. I'm sure I can find, I know I can find them. Y'all know how I am. I'm finding those glasses because they were so cute. So that's what I'm getting ready to do now. I'm gonna get dressed. You guys are rolling with me, so let's go. Okay, y'all, so I finally finished everything that I had to do. I went to Target. They did not have the Christopher John Rogers collection in my size or the Alexis brand. They didn't have anything in my size. It just had like smalls, extra small, nothing for me. So but I did find some really cute pieces, but I'm so sad about them all because none of them fit properly. I bought this really pretty orange dress. It is, well, let me turn it. All of this stuff is the Who What Wear brand, since I couldn't find anything else today. And all of this stuff has to go back. But it has this cute little bow right here, and it's just like cut like this. Looks so pretty on my skin complexion, but it's too tight. But I really like it. It has pockets on the side. Really cute dress. I'll pop up a picture of the model wearing it if I can find it. Super cute. but I can't fit this. And I did get it in a size large, but it's just too tight around the girls. And then I bought the pink dress again that I told you guys about the last time. Now remember, the last one I bought was a medium. This one I bought in a large, and it's still a little too tight in the boob area. So, and I was looking at the extra large. I knew I should have got the extra large, but I'm so sad about this. I might try this one on for y'all so y'all can see how that one looks. And then I found this really cute orange and white printed top. So cute, and it has like the belt. Now this one I didn't even bother trying it on because I bought another one like this. So this is how the skirt looks, and this is a size large, but the skirt, it just fits too big, and I know that if I was to get a medium I wouldn't be able to get it up past my butt, because I was struggling to get this up, and it's just too baggy in the front. So I'm gonna try this one on, probably this one or the blue one. I mean, they're the same, they're just different colors. So this is the blue one. I'm so sad about it, but I mean, I could wear them separate. I'm gonna show y'all how they look so you guys can see. This is the blue one, so cute. And of course the top is the same. So this is the top. I'm so sad. The top fits fine. It's just the bottom and then the way that they look together. So I was thinking about maybe keeping it and then trying to find something to go with the skirt, but I'm not too sure how I would do it. But I might keep these tops. So this is the top. This is not so pretty. Like, the color is so pretty. Y'all, my energy is really low right now because I am so tired. I did my running around this morning. I went to Target. I went to World Market. I did find some glasses, not the ones that I wanted, but I did find some really cute ones. I had to come home, cook for my mukbang, do my mukbang, edit my mukbang, go back out, go to the grocery store because my son wanted chicken pasta for dinner and I forgot to get it while I was out, so I had to do that, go pick him up from school, make dinner, upload my mukbang, and now I'm here. So I am pooped for the day, okay? And it is about 6 o'clock, and I started doing all this stuff at about 10 o'clock this morning. So I'm pretty tired. So that's that I plan on taking back, but I'm gonna wait to see what you guys think. Should I take the stuff back? Should I keep, well, I know I'm taking the dresses back for sure because they just don't fit. It's just way too tight in the bust area. So let me show you guys. I got some other things. So I just picked up some coconut oil body lotion. So it looks like this. I picked up some Shea Moisture coconut and hibiscus bath body and massage oil. So it looks like this. And then I bought some more Shea Moisture virgin coconut oil daily hydration body oil. This one is supposed to soften and restore the skin. It looks like this. And then I had to get some more vitamins. This is the vitamins that I like to use. And then I got a little retractable kabuki brush from e.l.f. So I could just put this like in my purse. And I like this one because it comes with the top. So when I get a little oily, I can just, and then you just pull it up like that and put the top on. So I really like this. Really easy. And then I finally came across my favorite sugar scrub. This is the Tree Hut Sugar Scrub, the Moroccan Rose. This is my favorite one. It smells so good. So good. This one smells really good. So I bought 2 of these because they're always out. Every time I go, they're always out. So bought 2 of those. And then I stocked up on my NYX Butter Glosses, the cinnamon roll. So I got the last 3. They had 4, but the first one looked like it was open, so I didn't get that one. So pretty. I'm wearing butterscotch right now. That's another one that looks really pretty too. So I have my 3 favorite go-to glosses now. So that is all that I picked up, y'all. The chicken pasta, I don't know if I told y'all, but I made some chicken fettuccine. It turned out really good. My son liked it, so he ate. Now he's asleep in the next room, so that's another reason why I'm trying to be quiet, even though he big enough, child. He could sleep through noise. Okay, so I'm gonna try on this this outfit for y'all. I'm gonna do the blue one because the other one looked the exact same. It's the same thing, just a different color, and they fit the exact same way. So I'm gonna try this on so you guys can see it, and then I'll try on the pink dress because I want this dress so bad. Y'all know this is my second time purchasing this dress. I got the medium first, went back and got the large. I should have got an extra large, so I'm gonna go back and get the extra large, and hopefully it's enough room, okay, and I can make it do what it do. So let me try this on for y'all. I'm so sad. Okay, so here is the outfit. Now the problem with this is it's just, well, I have it rolled up, but the problem with this is it's like so much material right here. I don't know if you guys can see it because of the color, but it's like so much material right here. So I mean, if it was like something like this, you know what I'm saying, I think it would look better. But I love the top. It's so cute. Button it up. But this is how the top looks. It's really cute. And then it has the belt right here. But I don't know, it's just like, and it does have pockets too, which I love. I don't know, somebody help me out. Y'all let me know what y'all think. I wanna love it so bad because I just love this color. It just looks so pretty. But it's just like, it looked too big. Like, you know what I'm saying? So, but I do like the top. Maybe I'll keep the top. I think I might keep the top. And then even if I was to, see, look at all this. It's just too much. And I know if I was to go down to a medium, it wouldn't fit because it doesn't have a zipper or anything. It just has like the elastic band in the back, and it was already a struggle trying to get it up. So if I go down another size, I know it's not gonna work. So outfit number 1. Here's the second one. Same problem, but I just wanted to just show you guys how cute it was. It's not doing it, but I wanted to do it. It's just too much down. Like, this is too much. But I might keep the top. This would have been so cute. I could just get like some white shorts and then do like some orange heels. I think that would be cute. This would have been so cute though if the skirt was a little tight and then it just flared a little bit, and then the top just, you know what I'm saying, because this is like a little peplum top. This is so sad. I've said enough. This one right here, I was really sad about because I just knew it was gonna fit, but it's still too tight up here. It just makes my boobs look very flat. But I love this dress so much. The pink is so pretty. It has pockets. It's just so cute and girly. I love this. It doesn't fit. So hopefully they'll have a extra large, because it's just the struggle. This would have been so cute though. Y'all see how long it is? So cute. but I can't fit it. I have to take it back. And then the orange one, I'm not gonna even show you guys how tight that one is. When I was in Miami, I went in Zara. I had to hurry up because we was in traffic, so I told Tony to let me out of the car, and I ran into Zara, and he turned the car around, and I had to come back, but I could have stayed in there all day. But this is the bag right here. It's so pretty. And that's not even the best part. It's so cute. Look at this. It has this chain. I love it. So I just thought that this was so cute. They had them in a couple of different colors. They had this one. They had like the regular cream one, and I want to say like a white one. So yeah, this bag was $49.90. I like it a lot. So cute. This is the glass that I picked up from World Market. I actually got a set of 2. You guys probably remember last week when me and my best friend went to that restaurant. I had a glass exactly like this at the restaurant. I'll pop up a picture right here. So I thought that this was really cute, and it was only $2.99. I'm gonna go online to find those other glasses because they had some round small glasses, but they just wasn't doing it for me. So this one is really cute for a little cocktail. And then I picked up these really cute little coasters here. These were $13.99. They had like another color. It had like yellow. Y'all know that I have this one right here that I bought from a shop on Instagram. I've had this one for a really long time, so I just thought that this one was so cute. I really like this color for some cute little drinks, you know, really nice. But I am in love with this glass. It's so cute. So I'll try to link both in the description box for you guys. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna wait on you guys to tell me if I should keep the tops, because the bottoms are already a no-go. I'm not taking them to get them tailored or anything like that. That's just too much. I'm not doing that. So I'm gonna take the skirts back, but y'all let me know if y'all think I should keep the tops. I think I might keep the tops. And then this pink dress, I want to go take this back to see if I can find a bigger size. And I'm trying to think if I should try to find a bigger size in that orange dress, because I really do like that dress, but I don't know. So I'm waiting on y'all. I'm counting on y'all. Y'all leave in the comments if you think I should just take the whole outfit back or keep the tops. I'll try to have the link to this stuff in the description box, so don't forget to check there before you type up your comment. Check the description box first, because usually I have everything in the description box for you. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.
I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures,